Top 8 Cryptocurrency Income Sources for 2023. The top cryptocurrency income streams in 2023 will primarily come from trading, investing, staking. Since it has been around for more than 10 years, cryptocurrency is quickly gaining popularity as a means of making money online. The market for cryptocurrencies is incredibly profitable. Cryptocurrency can be made money in a variety of methods: active trading, investment, staking. A decentralized payment system that can be utilized for online transactions is cryptocurrency. The top cryptocurrencies to invest in are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. People are looking for more and more ways to benefit from cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others since their value has recently increased. The digital record of cryptocurrency transactions is kept on the blockchain. On a blockchain network made up of thousands of devices, transactions are processed, and owners can get paid in cryptocurrencies for the job these machines do. Here are the top 10 cryptocurrency income streams for 2023. First, investing. Cryptocurrency investing is a great technique to make money with it. You can purchase a cryptocurrency index fund or specific coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is a great way to spread your risk and diversify your holdings. Make it a point to thoroughly investigate and understand the risks involved before investing in cryptocurrencies. 2. Trade. Trading uses short-term possibilities, whereas investing is a long-term endeavor based on a buy-and-hold strategy. The Bitcoin market might change at any time. In a word, asset prices can drastically increase or decrease in a short amount of time. You need to be an excellent trader with great technical and analytical abilities. 3. Mining. The most typical way to earn money with cryptocurrencies is through mining. Blockchain transactions are verified via mining, and new data blocks are added to the chain. For their work, miners are rewarded with cryptocurrencies. Cloud mining services or specialized hardware can both be used for mining. The benefits from cloud mining are often lesser than those from hardware mining, but it does not involve the purchase or upkeep of hardware. 4. Staking. Crypto staking is an investment strategy that involves retaining a specific number of coins in your wallet for a specific amount of time. Your cryptocurrency assets will therefore be able to produce passive income. The cryptocurrency you use and the number of coins you stake decide how much interest you can earn. 5. The classic buy and hold strategy. It's known as buying the dip to obtain desired crypto assets from a crypto exchange and add more when prices decline. The asset may be sold at a considerable overall profit compared to the acquisition price months or years after it was first purchased. Every day, the value of coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin changes. New coins like Chia are more likely to launch at a greater price due to the buzz. It takes a while to recuperate and later loses value. 6. Affiliate programs. There are numerous affiliate programs offered by cryptocurrency exchanges that let you make money from customers you refer. This is a great method for making money with cryptocurrencies without trading or investing. Competition in affiliate programs can be fierce. 7. Dividends. Another way to profit from your crypto assets is through dividends. The idea of dividends is likely familiar to you if you've ever invested in stocks or bonds. Simply explained, dividends are small financial payments provided to shareholders. In the event that a company experiences a profitable quarter, the shareholders receive a portion of the profits. 8. Airdrops. For those interested in cryptocurrencies, airdrops are a great method to get free tokens without spending any money. In contrast to conventional sales and token launches, airdrops don't demand customers to pay anything up ahead or make a deposit. These actions include posting project information on social media, participating in online communities, carrying out easy activities like watching instructional videos. Of course, we have reached the end of our video titled Top 8 Cryptocurrency Income Sources for 2023. We hope the information we shared about earning money with cryptocurrencies in this video was helpful to you. We suggest that you take the time to research these opportunities and evaluate each method based on your own risk profile. Always be cautious in your investments and make decisions based on solid foundations. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, you can support us by clicking the like button or subscribing to our channel. Thank you.